Hey friends, welcome back to another episode of Piece of the Pie Show. If we haven't yet had the pleasure of meeting, I'm your host, Pi Patel. I am so glad to have you here for another episode. So today we're going to be talking about another great project that comes from the NULS blockchain SEO platform. But before we get started, I want to remind you that if you like the content you're seeing here, do me a huge favor and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget that notification bell. Okay, so let's get right into it because there's a lot to talk about today. Ryi-Unity was introduced to me through the NULS SEO platform, which hosts lots of interesting projects that are building on or with the NULS blockchain. This particular project deals not only with DeFi, but also NFTs. Those of you watching that may need a breakdown of those terms, let's do it. DeFi stands for decentralized finance and is an umbrella term to describe finance that's conducted outside a traditional banking system. So this includes everything from banking to trading assets. NFTs stands for non-fungible tokens. These are associated with digital files. This includes things like contracts, pictures, or even videos. NFTs allow people to maintain ownership of the work they produce by logging this information on the blockchain. Ryi-Unity is a community-driven project that's making it easy for individuals and companies to get involved with blockchain. How so, you ask? Well, they're doing this by making user-friendly applications that allow the users to do all kinds of stuff without having to know the technicalities of blockchain technology. In other words, this project is really diving into what helps crypto adoption. And who doesn't love that? RYI has a DEX, decentralized exchange called Unity DeFi, which is an automated market maker, AMM, that provides a decentralized liquidity pool for several tokens. So this DEX allows users to stake tokens and even allows users to stake their NFTs. RYI is a registered company and they've made sure the users feel protected. There are features that protect your coins, help avoid rug pulls, block whale accounts from manipulating market prices, and much more. Okay, that sounds really cool to me. What do you think about this video so far? Drop me a comment, leave a like if you're enjoying it so far. All right, moving on. So when it comes to NFTs, Ryi-Unity's applications are geared towards allowing users an easy and effective way to collect, stake, or even mint their own NFTs. This project has its own NFT marketplace that showcases NFTs that users can browse or buy. They also allow users to mint their own NFTs. So honestly, the sky is literally the limit here. In addition to providing a DEX and an NFT platform, they offer many easy-to-use mobile applications. RYI Pay is a mobile asset manager like Coinbase or other popular mobile wallets and trading platforms. RYI Pay allows you to store crypto, trade crypto, and has a debit credit feature. It also reports market feeds so you can track the assets you're invested in. I also want to mention here that Unity News, which is their educational mobile application, is available on Android and iOS. The company is looking for new and innovative ways to educate the public about blockchain technology. So cool, right? You can get the latest news about crypto right on your phone. Education is something I truly care about, and if you've been following me for a while, you know how important it is for me. And that's why I do these videos. So Ryi-Unity definitely aligns with my own personal goals in this regard. In a previous video, I ran you through governance and how that works for a crypto project. Well, this is a great example. This application allows users to vote on their favorite tokens from the platform. When it comes to cryptocurrency, RYI is blazing the path in all areas. They want to ensure their users are well educated, well protected, and in control of their personal finances. If this sounds like a project you're interested in knowing more about, check out the comment section below. I'll be posting lots of helpful links for you to take a look at. That's all for me today, guys. I appreciate you being here so much. Remember that it helps me tremendously when you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and you leave a comment. Even if it's just to say hi, drop a heart or a smiley face. I will try to do my very best to respond to all comments, so I hope to see you in the comments down below. I will see you again very soon for another episode of Piece of the Pie, where I will be helping you get your piece of the pie in the crypto space. Till next time, may God bless you, and I love you so much, and be sure to pass the love on to others because love is the answer, right?